We've been here today at Beaumont Primary School where we've been talking to the children about road safety and engaging them in important messages. It's been a fantastic day.
Went out into the community and practiced crossing one of the main roads that a lot of children come to on the journey to and from school, and when we go out of school we've practiced crossing on zebra crossings. We've talked about keeping safe and the importance of road safety.
Okay, so now we are going to...
And why do you think it's important to hold hands?
Because if you don't, you might trip up. If you're running, you might trip over and a car might squish you.
So it's very important that they know how to stay safe, walking to school with their grown-up, knowing to hold the grown-up's hand, to listen and to look.
Beep Beep Day is a great opportunity for all nursery age children to get involved. It's about inspiring, informing and engaging the youngest of our early years from 2 to 7 in the important road safety messages. But it's also about getting those messages home to parents and the wider community.